Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Apple device to your new Lincoln. Alright, so all you're going to do here is you're going to hit add phone on your display screen. You're then going to go to your Bluetooth settings. Now you will wait, you will see a new device. So for this one we're using a Corsair, so it'll simply say Lincoln Corsair or whichever type of vehicle it is that you bought. You're going to just tap it.
Confirm that the pin displayed on
match the pins.
On your device.
Yes, yes, allow. And just like that, you are now connected to Apple CarPlay. So we'll hit finish there. Hit enable. Hit enable again. Give it another second here. It always takes a couple seconds just to secure the connection. And there we go. We are now fully linked to Apple CarPlay. We can, take a look at Google Maps, go through our settings, take a look at our messages, even go through our contacts. Hey, if you have any quick questions on how to set up your Apple CarPlay to your Lincoln vehicle, just give us a call or stop in and see us off Route 30 here at Smale Lincoln in Greensburg, PA, or visit us online at smalelincoln.com. We hope to hear from you soon.